Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm rushing to do a quick unboxing on the newly released Galaxy S9 Plus. This is the one that just came out today via FedEx at my doorstep, and I wanted to quickly open it and kind of make a brief comparison to the packaging of the Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge. To just abbreviate real quick what the deal was on the S9 Plus, straight from Samsung.com. And the deal is, if you trade one of these phones, the S7 or S7 Edge, you're gonna get $300 back. So I ended up paying for the brand new S9 Plus $580 altogether. I think it's an extremely great deal, absolutely amazing. And this is the unlocked version. As you can see right here, unlocked by Samsung. This is not the carrier associated of any kind, which I really wanted to get, because this phone will actually work presumably with all carriers in the US. So I'm gonna test that with Verizon, T-Mobile, with some other of the providers, and report back to you on the full review. But that's a quick unboxing for now. As you can see in the back, we have what's inside the box: the phone, the charger, USB connector, stereo headphones, those are the AKG tuned headphones, quick start guide, terms and conditions, SIM ejector 2, and this is the coral blue color. I'm kind of sick of white and black phones, so I wanted to get something different, so the blue one was my choice. And as some of you are familiar, this is how the packaging was for the, a generation step back, the S7 S7 Edge. This was both of them were Verizon phones, and I can show you quickly the content of these boxes when we open the S9 Plus. But let me slide these to the side for now, put them over here, and go to the unboxing here. So I think the first thing we need to do is slide this over. So this is kind of a sleeve, a little bit different than the previous years. Put that to the side as well. We have a nice, beautiful black box as well, with a little flap that will open like this. And inside, right on top, we have the normal stuff: paperwork, quick start guides, and the SIM ejector 2. I'm gonna leave that to the side over here. Right on top, we have the phone. Let me see if I can get it out real quick. We have the phone in this beautiful coral blue. I think this lighting is not doing it any justice, but I will test that obviously and show you in a full video on good lighting conditions. We have the USB on the go connector, which is Type C and Type A, similar to the one that we had in the S9 and S8 as well. Quick start, not quick start, but obviously quick charger. I think it's quick charge 3.0. Come on, get out of the box. Adaptive fast charging. This delivers, let's see if the camera will focus. Yeah, so it's pretty much exactly the same as before. 5 volts, 2 amps. So if you have one of the old ones, in those old boxes, you can use those with no problem. And inside this last one here, we have the USB Type C cable for charging and data. And then we have the AKG tuned headphones. I'm gonna test those as well, because the ones that came on S7 previous years were not that great, but I hear that these are pretty awesome. And we have some different size tips for the end of the headphones. Pretty good packaging these days. You should be happy to get headphones in, because a lot of companies don't even provide that. But yeah, for the moment, that's pretty much it. Just for the very quick comparison, let me pop the S7 Edge box and show you what the content was before. Similar style, similar tray. At the bottom was the SIM ejector 2 and the instructions, and everything was done in white, obviously not like the black ones on the S8 and S9 now. But this is what I was talking about. Exactly the same power delivery, 5 volts, 2 amps. And we had the micro USB, the old style cable. Same OTG, but micro USB versus the new one that it's USB Type-C. And the headphones had a special box, which I kind of like, but the headphones inside are not that great compared to the new ones, so that's fine. So yeah, that's the quick unboxing and kind of brief comparison between the S9 and the S7 Plus. One of those phones that I have will be going to Samsung, so in order for me to get that lucrative deal of $300 off of that new one. But I'm pretty excited about this phone. I'm anxious to do the full review, test it out, see how the battery life is going to be. I hear a lot of mixed reviews and a lot of mixed opinions about that, but you know, I'm going to report back to you and I'll tell you what's from my perspective. For now, that's about it, guys. Thank you very much. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. I'll be right back with a lot more very soon, and until next time, guys, you have a wonderful day. I almost forgot to say at the end, I actually grabbed one of the protective cases for the S9 Plus. Obviously I wanted to pop it in right away in one of those cases. I really like the clear style TPU cases. This one is from Tranium. I don't know, it was a brand on Amazon that I saw, similar to my favorite brand, iBlasin. Kind of a harder back but softer sides, a little bit more protection here with the raised corners. So I'm gonna put that in for the full review and talk to you about how I feel about this one as well. I'm gonna order some more as well and show it to you in the future full video. And again, for the last time, have a great one and see you in the next one. Bye, guys.